Welcome to Quick Learning. We were discussing the DMAIC prod technique for any improvement in a process or to resolve any problem in a system. So for DMAIC, we were having an overview of the first step, that is define. Last time we discussed what is define all about. So let's continue the define phase for DMAIC project. So just making a brief summary of what define is all about, we will discuss what the applicable tools for the define phase. The first tool is the project charter. Project charter are the documents what the project is supposed to achieve and what resources are available. Then the next tool is stakeholder analysis. This is an approach to identify key individuals who will be affected by the changes of your project and how these changes will have impact on them. Then we have communication plan. This is the regular communication with stakeholders that can help the team understand its work, when and how to involve others, and how to avoid the pitfalls. Then we have CTQ tree. Critical to quality characteristics are features by which customers evaluate the quality of your product or services. Then we have data collection. Data collection is the process in which data from customers helps your team to understand what's important about your project and how priorities are set if you need to narrow project scope. And the last tool is CPOC. A CPOC analysis helps your team understand the key elements of your process and how to define the boundaries and the scope of your project. So these are the 6 basic tools of the define phase, and we have explained what is the description and what each tool is all about. Let's have an example of a project planning worksheet. We have this example of a WUR project. WUR is the water usage ratio. So in this project charter sheet, you can see we have different segments on this sheet. Let's discuss it one by one. We will start from this first step where we have defined a scope. We have a business unit, that is CCI, supply chain. We have a problem area, that is elastic plant. What is the business gap or opportunity? Water usage ratio of elastic plant has been increasing with addition of new lines. This is the gap and this is the opportunity, that water consumption ratio is increasing. So let's have the team information. We have sponsor Murat, the MBB is Karam Orhan, and the team leader is Oscar Jones. Let's define our project team. So we have the different members, their position and dedication towards this project is written. There are 5 members, their names are written: the maintenance operator, water treatment operator, syrup room operator, line operator and syrup room operator, and their dedication, each with 20% dedication, is written. So this is the information of the team. What is the background? The team members are operators from production units of the plant, and this team background will provide support to every department in collection of data for every opportunity. What is the period of this project? The period of this project is from Feb 2012 to August 2012, the 6 months. Let's have a proposed project timeline and its progress against actual. So we have 5 stages: define, measure, analyze, improve and control. For each phase we have the planned timeline and the actual timeline, and then we have the week numbers for each month. You can see define, measure and analyze were well on time, the planned and the actual execution, while the improve got a bit prolonged, and for the control phase the actual timeline is not shown here. On the extreme right side, we will see the tools that are used for this project. We have time series plots, snake and ladder diagrams, CPOC, brainstorming sessions, flowcharts, Pareto analysis, the fishbone flowchart, Pareto diagrams, and box plots. So this is the project planning worksheet for this project, where you can see in a overall review we have the project scope, we have the team information, we have the project period defined, we have the complete project timeline, and we have the tools that are used for this project. So you can see that we have defined very clearly about the define phase and its project planning worksheet. So let's discuss the last topic here, or it's related to define again. So we have to define the baseline target for our project. So you can see this is a simple graph in which the yearly trend is defined. So you can see from 2016 to 2020 the water usage ratio, that is the liters of water consumed for per liter of beverage. This water usage ratio is decreasing with time. So this shows us an improved trend, but the baseline for this target and KPI was 1.43. So you can see all these years we are lagging from our target. In the starting years then the difference is high, but it's reducing, but still it's greater than the target absolute number. So in this way we have to define the baseline, that this is the yearly trend and what we are going to target for this project. So we will say that for this DMAIC project of water usage ratio, our target will be 1.43 liters of water per liter of beverage. So we our baseline target will be 1.43, and all the working and all the action plan, root causes analysis will take us towards this target or even lower than this target. So this let's end our today's lecture, in which we discussed the define phase in detail, the baseline target, how to define baseline, the project planning worksheet, what are the main key elements of any project planning worksheet, and what are the tools for define phase. For any question or query, you can just write in comments tab. Until next time, bye bye.